Well, good morning, friends. It is Running Kimono. I hope you're all having a very good Sunday morning. So, we're going to talk about some digital coupons that showed up and a little bit of razzle dazzle and magic. So, the first thing is the Rimmel Cosmetics that's 40% off. There's a 4 off a 2 IVC coupon, and it's right there on the left hand side. And as you can see, it says with my Walgreens. So you know that's an IVC if it has the with my Walgreens. It's not a manufacturer coupon. And we also have a digital $2 off. Depending on your account, you might have more or less, but I didn't really have many on mine. So as you can see, if I was going to do a curbside pickup, their mascara with the 40% off and the curbside, it's $3.29. And typically curbside is a little bit less than in store. And so I'm going to opt for the curbside or the pickup at store. You can drive to the store, you can walk into the store, go back to the photo department and get your bag, whatever you want to do, or get it through the pharmacy window. So as you can see, I added one mascara, and the $1.29 is the IVC. My pickup is free. My 12 cents of tax plus the $2 manufacturer coupon, it shakes it out to 12 cents. And even though the IVC is a 4 off a 2, it's bringing the price down to just buying the one. And for whatever reason, I could only add one mascara to my basket. I couldn't add a second one. So that's why this funniness, that's how I had this little discovery this morning. So if you want to try this out, absolutely go for it. But this is with the curbside pickup. In store, it might be a little bit more. Sometimes these prices in store are just a little bit more compared to the curbside pricing. But 12 cents for a mascara, that's a really great price point. Now, let's just say you wanted a second item. Let's go with some makeup remover, which is always great. And if you're buying mascara, you'll probably need a little bit of makeup remover. And this is $2.57. So we're looking for cosmetics that are in that $2 mark that will accompany that 4 off a 2. So grabbing one of these, as you can see, guys, for the mascara and the eye makeup remover, it's $5.86. Subtracting the IVC for $3.29, free curbside pickup, my 15 cents of tax, and my $2 manufacturer, I'm left with paying 72 cents, which isn't the worst price for one mascara and one eye makeup remover. So have fun with this, mix and match. Or if you wanted to go in store, I would look for cosmetics in that $2 mark to work with the IVC or whatever digital coupons you might have. Okay, the next little dealio that we're going to talk about is with Crest. As you can see, this is a $5 register reward when you buy 2, and it is the fancier line of the Brilliance or Gum Repair. It is the fancier toothpaste. So we're going to grab one of each, and this deal goes with Ibotta as well, just to note that. So we're going to grab one of these gum detoxifyings for $6.99. And as you can see, it says save $3. So we're going to have to load the following digital coupon. This guy. And all digital coupons are of a one-time use too over at Walgreens. So make sure that you have this one loaded. Scan it in store to make sure it's attaching as well. And then we're also going to grab a tube of the Brilliance for $6.99. And there's a couple different Brilliance toothpaste in the line. So just make sure that you're grabbing the right one that's going to attach with this $3 coupon as well. So yeah, they're being pretty generous with us with these higher or these more expensive toothpaste. So grabbing one of each, and then if you go over to your Ibotta account, and please check this while you're in store, a $3 back when you buy the Brilliance and a $3 back when you buy this gum toothpaste. So you get back $6 from Ibotta. So looking at the math for this, guys, one Crest gum toothpaste and one Crest Brilliant at $6.99 a pop is $13.98. We're subtracting two $3 manufacturers, so $6 is coming off right there. You're left with paying $7.98 out of pocket. You're going to get back a $5 register reward for buying 2 of these products. And then you're also going to make a $3 submission twice to Ibotta, so you're getting $6 back. So it makes your haul free plus a $3.02 moneymaker. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one, absolutely go for it. Okay, guys, so when you're still in that dental care aisle, we're going to look for 3 Oral-B toothbrushes. As you can see, the promotion for this is a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of these products. We're going to grab 3. This wonderful 5 off of 3 digital showed up this morning, and as you can see, those toothbrushes are in fact part of it, Oral-B. So yeah, that's how fantastic is that. So that's a very high value coupon at the very least. Load it, and then over on your Ibotta account, dollar back that you can do up to 5 times. And since we're grabbing 3, well, we're going to get $3 back. How great is that? So looking at the math for this one, grabbing 3 of those Oral-B toothbrushes at $3 a pop, well, that's $9. Subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital, you're left with paying 4 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, $1 back each from Ibotta, so that's $3 back. It makes this basket free plus a $3 money maker. So this is a really, really great deal. When you're in the dental care aisle, look for the fancier Crest and these brushes, and it's a lot of free stuff. And since we barely get, really great deals on toothbrushes, this is a deal that I think all of you should be doing if you can line this one up perfectly. Okay, so this was also there too. It's a $6 off when you buy 4. So I would load this one too because it's a very high value coupon. And then there was also this goofy coupon too, which is a $8 off of 4. But that's part of the buy 2 get a $4 register reward. So to pay $2+ per deodorant, unless something really spectacular on Ibotta shows up, I think I'm going to take a hard pass, but at the very least, load this one. So on Friday, I was talking about canned meat and being a badass prepper. Well, guess what? It gets better. Quarterback for these Bumblebee solid white albacore, and it's on sale, so you can get them for $1 each with this Ibotta rebate on the right-hand side. Now, I'm not sure if you guys have been watching the news, but there's some sort of big vessel ship that has blocked part of the Suez Canal, different part of the world, but a lot of goods like raw material that makes toilet paper, coffee over here in the United States. A lot of these raw goods from different countries from around the world travel through this canal. And possibly there's rumors and whispers now about a possible, coffee shortage or toilet paper shortage. Google this story if you want more information, but we joke around here about being preppers and every week is like toilet paper week, toilet paper week, toilet paper deals. But if this happens, we maybe could see what happened in March 2020 happen again. At the very least, Google this if you want more information. It's just one of these news stories. It might get resolved this afternoon, or it may take 2 weeks where that vessel is stuck in the canal. So we do not know. But yeah, it's a really interesting one. So now we're going to head over to Meyer. Meyer is predominantly a store in the Midwest. So this is a digital coupon that I think everybody should be loading, and it's a $3 off this new dish soap called 9 Elements liquid dish soap. So I wonder if it has 9 ingredients. High value coupon because it is a new product and they want to entice shoppers to try it. So as you can see over at Meyer, it's $3.99. It would drop it down to 99 cents. Since I'm not rich, I don't know. 99 cents is a bit for dish soap when we get it really inexpensive most of the time, but maybe there'll be a sale that we can pair that with. And then also there's a 2 off of 2 for the Stay Free. You might want to load this one and see if your store might have dollar pads that might work with this, or 89-cent pads, because it's attaching. But just definitely look at the inventory at your store, or at least in the app, or load this coupon because you might be able to get some pads really inexpensive. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.